Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will work with a yarn and I will show you how to crochet a simple granny square. So we will start with a slip knot, and now we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now we'll chain 3 for our first double crochet, and into the ring we'll work 3 double crochets. So we have to work 2 more. 1 and 2. Now we will create our first corner, so we'll chain 2 for the corner, and then into the ring 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. For the next corner we will chain 2 and into the ring 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. The next corner, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 corners, and for the last corner, because I like to join the yarn in the corners, I will chain 1, not 2, and then into the third chain of our starting chain 3 we will work a single crochet like that. And here is our last corner. So because we chain 1 and then we worked a single crochet, that means that we have our yarn a little bit higher than normal if we would make a slip stitch. So now for the next round we will chain only 2, not 3 this time, and then into the same space around this single crochet we will work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. So we have this single crochet and then chain 2 as our first double crochet, and then 2 double crochets. So now we'll go into the next corner, we'll chain 1 and into the next chain 2 space, so in our corner we'll work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 for the corner and 3 double crochets into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. So again we have to come across these 3 double crochets, we'll chain 1 and we are in the next corner, we'll work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2 for the corner and 3 double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1 and again in next corner we will work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3 chain 2 for the corner, and 3 more double crochets into the same space. That's 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and again here is our last corner where we started this round. We'll work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and to finish this round again we'll chain 1 and we'll single crochet into the second chain of our chain 2. So into the second chain we'll work single crochet, and again we created this gap with chain 1 and then with a single crochet, and now we'll repeat our start with a chain 2, 2 double crochets into the same space. So around this single crochet we'll work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Here we have our 3 double crochets for the previous round, so we'll chain 1 into the chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and we are at our corner. So 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 double crochets into the same space. Chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, again our corner, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, now is our corner, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, remember always in a corner, chain 2, 3 double crochets, and then chain 1, 3 double crochets into the chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and we are at our last corner where we started this round, so we have to work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and single crochet into the second chain. Okay. We'll start with our next round, so we'll chain 2. Around the single crochet we'll work 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, here is our corner, we work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, again into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and in our corner 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 more double crochets into the same space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and all you have to do is repeat this. So into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, again our corner, so 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, you have 2 chain 1 spaces, so into the first we'll work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the next chain 1 space, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, here's our last corner or first corner, as you wish, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and again we would work a single crochet into the second chain of our chain 2, but if you want to fasten off for the change of color or anything else, or just finish this granny square, in this case you would chain 2, slip stitch into the second chain, chain 1 and cut the thread, pull through and fasten off like that. So, and here is our granny square. Because I start and finish the rounds in a corner, I don't have any additional gaps between, so it's I think a little less noticeable. And this is one square, this is another. Okay, this is our granny square. This is my method, how I work it, and put in the comments below what you think about this. So if you're first time here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss any of my next video tutorials. One of my next projects will be how to crochet a rectangular granny so that you can use it for a blanket or something like that. So I really hope you enjoy this tutorial, and until the next time, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.